Hello! I'm just kidding. I decided to make a GoFundMe, right? And I never do crowdfunding because I've traditionally been way too scared. Anyways, I'm doing this so I can build that 3D printer, the big one that some of you know that I rant about constantly, over and over and over. It's a lofty goal, probably loftier than anything I've ever done in my life, to be honest, but I think I can do it. I have to build the printer from scratch. I need certain components that I have to get individually. There's the actual printer kit, and this printer is big. It is over 1/2 meter in all directions, cubed, right? So there's the kit. I need an auto leveling sensor. I need a 600 millimeter lattice borosilicate glass plate, a Wi-Fi module that I have to install, solder onto the main board. I have all of that equipment, so I'm gonna have to get the Wi-Fi module. 600 millimeter spring steel magnetic PEI plate comes with a sheet as well that's flexible for removing the print off of the bed when it's done. Certain materials kind of require that. PLA, polylactic acid, PLA plus polymers, variations of that. The flex PLA that I've been using, like I made with the Angel's Relic, and high-speed TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane, and of course some brass nozzles ranging from 0.6 millimeters or 600 microns to about 1 to 1.2 millimeters. So all these materials I'm gonna have to put together with all of your help, and that's how we're gonna play this game. We're gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Tell your friends, tell your family. I just want to get the word out there so people are aware of what's happening, because I'm a hermit, because I'm constantly 3D printing stuff and reading books and doing theoretical blah 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 blah, right? So that's where all of you come in. And so I'm excited to ask for help and get this ball rolling.